Hi guys, today I want to ask you guys for some help. So I've been doing this job for 28 years and it's not often I see something that I haven't seen before. But today's the first, so I'll show you in the video following this. So yeah, if you could comment in comments below, I'd be very grateful. Thank you. My name's Allen Hart and today I've been called out to a heating system in Bradford and the heating system's not working very well. So this is an old open vent style heating system and it's got a Baxi boiler downstairs and it's on an S-plan. So it's got a pump, an airing cupboard and it's got an S-plan. So I've come up into the loft to check the header tank because obviously it could be that there's no water in the header tank or there's a problem with system. And it's just investigating to see what might be wrong. And then I've been absolutely shocked to see this, and I'll just show you now. So we're just up in the loft now. Look at that. It's actually got green mould on it. I've actually, in all the years of doing this job, I've never ever seen anything like this before. So we've just got a cylinder cover here. It's on an S-plan. So if you can be of any assistance, if you can help me, please put it in comments below. And thank you for watching.